Join us as we enjoy delicious bites at the brand new Bib Gourmand eateries from the Michelin Guide Vietnam 2024, right here in Ho Chi Minh City. For over 7 decades, diners have been returning to Banh Siao 46A for its huge Vietnamese crepes stuffed with mung beans, bean sprouts, pork, and shrimp. The alfresco seating by the open kitchen gives the most authentic experience. Craving a hot, beefy bowl of noodles? Bún Bò Huay 14B specializes in noodle soup topped with sliced beef tendon, and fish fillet. The broth made with onion, beef, and pork bones is exceptionally flavorful. Now we head to Ya Tu. They serve the chef's childhood flavors through home-style cooking. Try the steamed snail stuffed with minced pork or the mixed veggies in a fish sauce direction. Both dishes are simple yet very addictive. Next is Tiam Kem Do Chen Ke. This eatery run by the third generation prides itself on its double-boiled silky chicken soup. Try their steamed rice bowl with beef, chicken, or Cantonese preserved pork sausage. Now we are at Vy Quoy Kitchen, a cozy yet modern vegan eatery that brings Vietnamese flavors from all over the country with a creative twist. Any favorite dishes aside the ones we mentioned? Leave in the comment box below.